Hello friends, welcome back to Miya's Spice World. Today we will be making a delicious and creamy dish made with peas and mushroom. This simple and tasty Punjabi dish is our own Malai Matar mushroom. Serve this rich curry for lunch or dinner with any flavored rice, butter naan or roti. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and also hit the bell button for latest notifications. Do watch this video till the end. So, let's get started. Let's take a quick look at the ingredients. Here, I have taken 200 grams of fresh mushroom. Wash them well in running water, thinly slice them and keep aside. The other ingredients include 1 cup boiled green peas, 2 finely chopped onions, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 slit green chilies and puree of 1 tomato. In a kadai, heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and add 1 cardamom, 1 clove and 1 small stick of cinnamon, followed by half teaspoon cumin seeds and a pinch of hing. After few seconds, add the green chilies and chopped onions. While sauteing the onions, add little salt and mix well. Now add the ginger garlic paste and continue to stir until the raw smell disappears. When the onions turn golden brown, add the tomato puree and stir until the oil separates. It's time to add the dry spice powders. Add in 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala and saute well. Next add boiled green peas, sliced mushroom and mix well. Add around half to 3/4 cup of water. Add salt, mix well and allow it to boil. Finally add 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi and combine it well. Cover the lid and cook for 5 minutes in medium-low flame. Once the mushrooms are cooked, add some fresh cream, mix well and switch off the flame. Our rich and creamy Malai Matar mushroom is ready to be served. Enjoy this delicious dish with any flavored rice, butter naan or roti. Do try this recipe and give your feedback. Also, like this video and share with your friends. Meet you soon with another interesting recipe. Until then, keep smiling and stay safe.